Ladies and gentlemen, today let us go over another 10 handy tips to see how science can actually be right in the palm of our hands. 11. Peeling boiled eggs super fast. Problem: boiled eggs stick to the shell, crushing the egg white when peeled, making them look unappealing. Solution: add a little baking soda or vinegar to the water while boiling the eggs. Explanation: the alkalinity of baking soda weakens the bond between the shell membrane and the egg white. 12. Cleaning white shoes with toothpaste. Problem: white shoe sawdust or fabric are stained yellow, and regular soap is difficult to remove. Solution: apply white toothpaste to the stain, gently scrub with an old toothbrush, then wipe with a damp cloth. Explanation: the ultrafine abrasive particles in the toothpaste help remove the stain without damaging the surface. 13. Removing strawberry stems with a straw. Problem: using a knife to cut the stem of a strawberry often removes too much of the delicious fruit flesh. Solution method: insert a straw from the bottom of the strawberry straight up to the stem. Explanation: concentric force helps remove the hard core and stem most neatly. 14. Super fast cooling of drinks. Problem: guests arrive and the bottle of water is still hot. Waiting for the refrigerator is too long. Solution: wrap a white piece of toilet paper around the bottle before putting it in the freezer for 10 minutes. Explanation: the water in the paper evaporates quickly in the cold environment, helping to draw heat from the bottle faster. 15. Opening a stuck jar lid with a rubber band. Problem: new glass jars often have very stiff lids that are difficult to remove. Solution: wrap a thick rubber band around the lid to create a grip before twisting. Explanation: the rubber creates high friction, preventing your hand from slipping and transferring maximum force to the lid. 16. Keeping clothes from slipping off hangers. Problem: wide neck shirts or fabrics, silky soft fabrics often slip off hangers, falling to the floor and wrinkling. Solution: wrap the rubber bands around the ends of the clothes hanger. Explanation: the roughness of the rubber creates high friction, preventing the fabric from slipping due to gravity. 17. Phone holder from sunglasses. Problem: you're busy working and want to check your phone, but you don't have a stand and the phone keeps slipping and falling. Solution: flip the sunglasses upside down, fold the frame in half, and place the phone horizontally on top of the frame. Explanation: the frame forms a sturdy 3-point support, keeping the phone's center of gravity stable. 18. Threading a needle with a toothbrush. Problem: poor eyesight or shaky hands make threading a needle through a small hole a difficult challenge. Solution: place the thread on the bristles of the toothbrush, pressing the needle hole straight down onto the thread at that point. Explanation: the bristles of the toothbrush will push the thread through, naturally pierces a needle hole. 19. Safely hammering nails with clothespins. Problem: when hammering small nails, we often fear the hammer hitting our fingers holding the nail. Solution: use clothespins to hold the nail instead of using your fingers directly. Explanation: the safe distance from the clothespin protects your hand and from the hammer as erratic blows. 20. Cleaning a microwave with lemon. Problem: microwaves are covered in grease and food odors, making them difficult to clean with a regular cloth. Solution: place a bowl of water with lemon slices in the microwave for 5 minutes, then gently wipe with a damp cloth. Explanation: the steam-carrying citric acid from the lemon helps dissolve grease and eliminate odors and kill bacteria. Ladies and gentlemen, from a small rubber band to everyday sunglasses, it turns out that with a little ingenuity, everything becomes a treasure that makes life easier. Thank you for your attention, wishing you a very happy day. Peace, tranquility, and we look forward to seeing you again on future Bridges of Knowledge.